Are you getting frustrated about losing files or folders and you're trying to use third-party tools to recover it and they're not working and you got to pay for it as well? Well, there's a feature on Windows 10 and 11 that you can enable that will solve all your worries. I'm going to show you how to enable it and configure it coming up. There is one requirement, and that is you need a hard drive, a flash drive, or a network location. So if you have that, let's get started. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to create a folder. Here, I already created one. We're just going to name it testing. Inside the testing folder, we created a text document called testing. Open that, and we did some wording here. This is a test. All right, we're going to save it. And here, if you right click and go to show more options, and go to properties, and then go to previous versions, it's blank. Well, we're going to enable it, and I'm going to show you what it's going to do. So close File Explorer, and we're going to type in file history. Hit enter. Okay, so here shows the hard drive that we're going to enable file history on. If you have multiple drives, you can select the drive here, and you can select the drive that you want to enable file history on. You can actually add a network location as well. All right, so we're going to hit cancel. We're going to turn on file history. Okay, so last copied files was now. Here on the side, you can exclude folders. By default, it copies the library, desktop, contacts, and your favorites. So if you click on exclude folders, here you can add a folder that you want to exclude. So we're going to hit cancel. Hit cancel here. Here, advanced settings, you can save copies of the file every 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You can choose whatever you want. By default, it's every hour. So we're going to leave it at every hour. You can keep saved versions forever, or you can make it 1 month, 3 months until space is needed. Right now, we're going to keep it as forever so we can have multiple versions to go back on. You can clean up the versions as well, delete old versions. All right, so we're going to hit cancel. Okay, so now it's enabled. So we're going to close file history. We're going to open the testing. We're going to right click, show more options. If you go to properties and then go back to previous versions, here is the latest version of the file. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to open the file and we're going to erase this. Okay. All right, so we're going to save it. Now we're going to close the file, come over here, show more options, go to properties, previous versions, click on it, and you're going to restore. You can restore it to the original location, or you can restore to a different location. We're going to click on restore, and we're going to click replace the file in the destination. Okay, so now close that. Date modified, it went back to the previous version. If you open it, there it is. It restores it back. So now this works on folders as well. So if you right click the folder, show more options, you can actually go restore previous versions here as well. You don't have to go to property. So if you restore previous version, and there's the folder. So you can restore the folder if you deleted the folder, not deleted the folder, but if you renamed the folder or whatnot. So say you deleted the file out of the folder. So if you right click that and delete, okay, so you lost. You go to the folder that you deleted the file on, go to show more options, restore previous version, and you can restore, and it will restore everything that was in that folder. But say like you have multiple files and you don't want to restore all of those files in that previous version of that folder. What you can do, you can restore just that file. So you can open file history, restore personal files, and that was in the desktop. testing. There's the testing. So now you're going to click on the green button here, restore original location. And then we're going to close everything out. We'll go back to the folder. And there it is. There you go. And that's how you use file history and a better way to restore your files if you accidentally deleted them or you accidentally edit the file. So if this was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below what you think about file history. For more tips, tricks on Windows 11, subscribe and turn that bell notification on. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.